Hello friends, welcome to HP Diamond Academy. In the last lecture we have started the discussion on the types of functions. So in this particular lecture we will discuss about the problems on the types of functions. Okay, so let's start about discussion. So we have in this type of problems we have to check whether which type of function it is. Okay, so whether it is 1 whether it is many one, whether it is 1 onto, whether it is 1 into. So we have to decide which type of function it is. Okay, so we have the set A is given as the set A is the elements in set A is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, and in set B we have the elements as A, B, C and D. Okay, and the function f is given as f is equal to 1 comma A, this is 2 comma D and this is 3 comma D. Okay, so these elements, that is 1, 2 and 3, these are the elements of domain, and we have the elements A, D and D. Okay, sorry, this is 3 comma B. A, D and B, these are the elements of codomain. Okay, so we will read that, read it like this. So this is 1 goes to A, this is 2 goes to D, this is 3 goes to B. Okay, so we have the two sets as this is set A and this is set B. This is set A and this is set B. So we have the elements in set A as 1, 2 and 3. Element in set B is A, B, C and D. So let us do the mapping. So using this function f, we have the first one is 1 goes to A. So this is 1 goes to A. Now we have 2 goes to D and we have 3 goes to B. So now we have, this is single element is getting mapped to a single element. Okay, so 1 is getting mapped to A, 2 is getting mapped to D, 3 is getting mapped to B. Okay, so this is nothing but 1 1. We have already studied the definition in the last lecture. Okay, so this is 1 1, and also there exists an element C in set B which is not having any pre-image in set A. So this is into, as per definition. So this function f is 1 1 into. Okay, now let us discuss this function g. Okay, so we have, and this is set A and this is set B, set A and set B. So the elements in set A are 1, 2 and 3. In set B we have A, B, C and D. Okay, now we have the mapping as 1 goes to A, 1 goes to A, this is 2 goes to A, this is 3 goes to D. Okay, so the many elements are getting mapped to a single element. As per definition of many one function, we have 1 is getting mapped to A and 2 is getting mapped to A. So this is nothing but a many one function. Plus additionally, we have, there are two elements in set B which is not having any pre-image in set A. So this is into, as per definition. So this is many one into function. So let us discuss about this function h. So we have, this is set A, this is set B. So we have the elements as 1, 2 and 3. In set B we have A, B. In set B we have A, B, C and D. Okay, so this is 1 goes to A, 1 goes to A, and we have 1 goes to B, 1 goes to B. This is 2 goes to D, and we have 3 goes to C. Okay, now as per definition of a function, the criteria is every element of domain must have image, secondly, that image must be unique, okay, so this relation is h. So h of 1 is equal to A and h of 1 is also B. Okay, so the image of element A is not unique, hence this relation h is not satisfying the basic definition of this function. This is not satisfying this second condition. So hence दिस रिलेशन h इज नॉट ए फंक्शन. ओके, तो जब फंक्शन ही नहीं है तो वो तो टाइप्स ऑफ फंक्शन तो दूर की बात है. ठीक है, तो दिस रिलेशन h इज नॉट ए फंक्शन. दिस इज नॉट ए फंक्शन. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस दिस फंक्शन j. So we have set A and set B. The elements in set A are 1, 2 and 3. In set B we have A, B, C and D. Let us do the mapping. So 1 goes to A. So here in relation J we have 1 goes to A, 2 goes to B. Okay. So this is also not satisfying the basic definition for the function. Okay. This is not satisfying the basic criteria for being a function. Okay, because element 3 in the domain is not having any image. Okay, so the conditions are, first one is every element must have image, and secondly image must be unique. Image must be unique. Every element must have image. Okay, so this element 3 is not having any image in this codomain. Okay, so this is not satisfying the basic criteria for being a function. Hence, this relation J is not a function. Okay. So जब function ही नहीं है तो types of function तो दूर की बात है. Now let us discuss this second part. Let us discuss this second question. So we have the set A as this elements in set A. Let us take elements in set B. So elements in set A is 1, 2, 3 and 4. In set B we have X, Y, Z and W. Let us do the mapping. So we have the relation as F. Okay, so unless and until it is not satisfying the definition of a function, let us not call this as a function. Okay, so before proving this, let us call F as a relation. So we have 1 goes to X, 1 goes to X, 2 goes to Y, 2 goes to Y, 3 goes to Y and 4 goes to Z. So this is since W is not having any image in W is not having any pre-image in set A, so this is into, and we have many functions are getting mapped to a single element, so this is many one into. Okay, now let us discuss this relation G. Let us draw set A and this is set B. So elements in set A are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Elements in B as X, Y, Z and W. So let us do the mapping. So in element G we have 1 goes to X, we have 2 goes to Y, we have 3 goes to W and 4 goes to Z. So this is satisfying the definition of 1 1 plus onto. Okay, 1 1 because single element is getting mapped to single element. So 1 is getting mapped to X, 2 is getting mapped to Y, 3 is getting mapped to W, 4 is getting mapped to Z. And as per definition onto, there does not exist any element in a codomain, that is set B, which is not having any pre-image in set A. Okay, so every element is having pre-image, so hence it is satisfying the definition of onto as well as it is satisfying the definition of 1 1. So that's why we'll call this this relation G as, this relation G is 1 1 onto. Okay, now let us discuss question number 3. So we have set A as, elements in set A are 1, 2, 3 and 4. In set B we have A, B, C and D. Okay, now let us do the mapping based on the relation F. So we have this relation F. This is set A and this is set B. So 1 goes to A, this is 2 goes to C, 3 goes to B and 4 goes to D. So this is nothing but 1 1 onto. Okay, so single element is getting mapped to single element plus there does not exist any element in set B which is not having any pre-image in set A. So this is satisfying the definition of onto as well as 1 1. So this is 1 1 onto. Now let us discuss this relation G. This is set A and this is set B. So elements in set A are 1, 2, 3 and 4. In set B we have A, B, C and D. Let us do the mapping based on the relation G. Okay, so we have 1 goes to A, 2 goes to B, 3 goes to B, 4 goes to D. So this is many elements are getting mapped to single element. So this is many one. Plus there exists an element C which is not having any pre-image in set A. So this is many one into function. Okay. Now let us discuss question number 4. In question number 4 we have the set A as set A and this is set B. So we have elements in set A as 1, 2, 3 and 4. In set B we have A, B, C and D. So we have the relation F as 1 goes to A, 1 goes to A, 2 goes to B, 3 goes to C and 4 goes to D. Clearly this is 1 1 plus onto. So this is 1 1 onto function. Now let us discuss this relation G. In relation G, so let us draw the set A and set B. This is set A and this is set B. The elements in set A are 1, 2, 3 and 4. In set B we have A, B, C and D. So in relation G we have 1 goes to A, 2 goes to B, 3 goes to B, 4 goes to C. So this is satisfying. This is many function are getting mapped to a single element, plus there exists a element D in codomain that is not having any pre-image in set A. So this is many one into. Okay. Now let us discuss relation H. This is set A and this is set B. The elements in set A are 1, 2, 3 and 4 and elements in set B as A, B, C and D. So in set H we have 1 goes to A and we have 2 goes to B, 3 goes to D and we have 4 goes to C. This is 1 1 plus onto. Okay. Now let us discuss question number 5. So elements in set A are, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. In set B we have A, B, C. Let us do the mapping. F. 1 goes to A, 2 goes to B, 3 goes to B, 4 goes to C. So this is many one onto. Many one onto. Okay, so this is all about the problems on the types of function. Thank you.